Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Paradox Metaverse coin. This token just got listed on CoinGecko just a couple days ago. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Paradox Metaverse token. So it doesn't even actually have an explorer on here, so I'm not actually even sure yet if this is a token or a coin. It does have where it's listed where you could purchase this token here. Not that it matters. You can use the word token or coin interchangeably. You know, some people are sticklers about it, but who really cares? So you can get this token if you're looking to get it off a central exchange called Huobi Global. Now, all you have to do is go into the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or on your PC, download Huobi Global, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Paradox, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy this coin. It is that easy. On CoinGecko, you can find the chart. You can find the price. It's sitting at about 8.2 cents per coin. It's up 0.4% today. On here, you can also find their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, Instagram, and their official webpage, which is paradoxmeta.io. So if you go over to Paradox Meta, they have a super cool webpage where like game characters pop up and stuff like that, and you can move around. The mouse is pretty cool here, how it scrolls. There's a merch section if you want to buy merch. They have a Parapad. I'm going to assume that's like a launch pad, kind of like Pink Sale, but maybe for gaming projects. It says, the future of gaming. The Paradox Metaverse. This is an open world action-adventure game built on the Unreal Engine 5. It is a free-to-play battle royale and metaverse game. NFT holders are rewarded Paradox coin to complete in-game missions. So within the Paradox ecosystem, it says the ecosystem is intertwined to support itself using the Paradox coin to seamlessly encourage its users to use multiple products from the Paradox ecosystem, exposing them to more crypto products and more user-friendly experiences. Holders of the Paradox coin will be able to stake on Paradox Swap. So they're going to have their own exchange, their own decentralized exchange called Paraswap. It says to stake for yield returns varying based on the length of your stake. This process of staking will give you permission to take part in our Parapad Launchpad listing. Paradox events will allow users to watch and attend real-world YouTuber boxing events hosted by us, giving stakers and NFT holders access to tickets in the form of NFTs that can be bought using the Paradox coin. So that's interesting. So it has a play button, so it looks like maybe you could play the game. I don't know if it's a beta version or alpha version or what, but looks like it's on. It says play. It says $2.5 billion in investments from the blockchain gaming space since last quarter, compared to the $4 billion raised from the sectors across all of 2021, showing a significant acceleration in money pouring into this space. Are there other projects like Paradox Metaverse? It says yes. The biggest games that are coming to Play to Earn are being built on the Unreal Engine 5 and are still in development. So Play and Earn games have found a way to make passive income by playing games with a larger community. How can you take part? Well, the gaming sector accounts for approximately 50.51% of active MetaMask wallets usage month over month. Interesting. So the Paradox Launchpad that we talked about earlier, it says the Paradox Launchpad is a featured product on the Paradox Metaverse ecosystem, allowing blockchain-based token projects to offer fundraising at a private, lower price to the members of the public before public listing. Kind of just like Pink Sale, if you've ever checked out Pink Sale. Our only projects listing on centralized exchanges will be launching on our Launchpad. So they're not going to have like ones that are only available on PancakeSwap or Uniswap or things like that. They're going to have ones that are available on like Huobi Global or Gate or LBANK or MEXC Global, things like that, right? So Paradox events. Watch the world's largest social media stars from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok fight over a belt. Tickets for the event and pay-per-view only available via Paradox tokens. So then they have the Paraswap. Paraswap will be the decentralized exchange allowing digital assets to be traded automatically using a smart contract. And then the DAO, they're going to have a ParaDAO. ParaDAO works to help the Paradox Metaverse game by being the brain that controls the limits within the Metaverse game. The ParaDAO token's leading utility is the expression and power of people's rights inside the Paradox Metaverse. It allows users who stake the PDAO tokens to earn up to 10% per year in returns, with the added option of taking part in the Paradox venture investments to receive 20% in returns by having the PDAO tokens locked in for 12 months. We create and fund transformative blockchain companies. So 3.5% of the tokens go to advisors, 1.35% go to public round, 12% seed round, 15% founders and team, 12.5% liquidity, 2% goes to marketing, 4% pre-sale, 20% play to earn, 15% staking, 5% R&D, 10% ecosystem. Looks like they do have a full white paper at the bottom of their webpage that you could check out. And they also have a, looks like a roadmap on here. Let's see where it starts. This is kind of weird the way the roadmap scrolls here. So it looks like it starts in maybe all the way back to August 2021 with concepts and designs, and then we got game development started, internal alpha testing stage, internal beta testing stage, creation of Paradox Genesis 3D, public launch of Paradox Genesis 3D, business and development partnerships, Paracoin presale, Parapad, Launchpad, Paracoin Central Exchange, NFTs and Parastaking, the Paradox Metaverse game launch, launch of the Paraswap DEX, launch of Parachain, and Paradox Layer 1 is the last phase. It shows some of the team members at the bottom of the page, advisory boards, their partners, and then there's socials. You could check all this out at paradoxmeta.io, and you could find this coin listed on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.